This is the only fortified sailing club in Ireland. So this is Lough Foyle Yacht Club, and what we have here that nobody else has is Lough Foyle punts, and that's these wonderful traditional boats. So we're racing them, and what we did is we invited the skippers of the Clipper to come along and be guest crew.
It's fantastic, it really is. It's just the actual skill and all that's involved in doing that racing. There's so many people from Derry involved in it. So, and the great buzz about the town as well, which is lovely to see. And even this event tonight, I mean, it's exciting to see how they'll take to these boats.
Come on, Scotland, you can do it.